Hello everyone, greeting from Johnson. Today we would like to introduce our manual strip strapping machine. This machine is with triple function. This handle here is for tensioner, and this one here is for cutter and sealer. It's work for strips wide between 13 millimeters to 18 millimeters. Sorry, it's for strap wide between 13 millimeters to 90 millimeters. Now we would like to show you how to operate it. First of all, you need to put the straps onto the cartons. Make sure you put both of the straps in the same line. Press the button there to put the straps onto the machine. Press the tensioner. Press this handle to cut and seal the straps. Remove it. See, it's very nicely and buckle fit totally. It saves your cost for the buckles. It saves your cost for the buckles. Thank you for watching.